They want to find the value of x, given that you have 4 raised to the power x minus 2 raised to the power x equals 1. So guys, let's have it to the solution. So from here we have 4 raised to the power x minus 2 raised to the power x to be equals 1. But mind you guys, we can have 4 raised to the power x to be in base 2 as 2 raised to the power 2. Then again raised to the power x minus 2 raised to the power x equals 1. So from here, according to the law of indices, when you have a raised to the power m, all in brackets raised to the power n, this can be simplified to be a raised to the power mn, and this can also be simplified to be equals a raised to the power n in bracket a raised to the power m. So now by applying this expression here, so we can interchange the power of this as 2 raised to the power x and again raised to the power 2 minus 2 raised to the power x to be equals 1. So now guys, we have 2 raised to the power x in common. We have here again. We can say let 2 raised to the power x to be equals m. If 2 raised to the power m, if 2 raised to the power x equals m, so from here, this implies that we are going to have here to be m squared minus m to be equals 1. And so from here, let's take this one to this side and see what will happen. We have m squared minus m minus 1 to be equals 0. Now guys, this is a quadratic, and we can solve this by using quadratic method. Let us recall that when you have ax squared plus bx plus c to be equal 0. So from here, the coefficient of x squared here is a. Now the coefficient of m squared is 1. So we have our a to be equals 1. And the coefficient of x here is b. The coefficient of m here is minus 1. So we have our b to be equals minus 1. Then the constant value here is c. From here is equals c equals minus 1. Then we can get. So now guys, let us now move further to apply the general formula of quadratic, as we have our x to be equals minus b, then positive for negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac, then all divided by 2a. So from here, by plugging everything, so we are going to have our m as, from here, b is minus 1, so we have it to be minus into minus 1, then positive for negative, square root of minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by a equals 1, then our c equals minus 1, then all divided by 2 multiplied by a. So from here guys, we have our m to be equals 1, then positive for negative, square root of, from here we have 1 square, minus times minus will give us plus, 4 times 1 times 1 will give us 4, then we have all divided by 2, and with this equals 1, then positive for negative, square root of 1 plus 4 will give us 5 divided by 2. So obviously guys, from here we have our m to be equals 1 positive for negative, square root of 5 divided by 2. So guys, we can easily have this to be, for the first one, when we take positive, we have 1 plus with 5 divided by 2, and second one we have 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. So we say we should let our m from here to be equals 2 raised to the power x. So if our m equals 2 raised to the power x, so this implies that we are going to have, for here we have 2 raised to the power x equals 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and we also have 2 raised to the power x to be equals 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. But one thing is, from here we have the positive, from here we are going to have the positive as well. Now from here we are going to have the positive, but from here, because of this negative, so, and we have 1 here, we are going to have negative. So this expression is accepted, while this is rejected, because the left hand side and the left hand side and the right hand side are not the same. So let us continue with this. Now guys, to get the value of x from here, let us introduce natural log. Then we have log 2 raised to the power x equals log 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. So from here, this will come here, we have x log 2 to be equals log 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Now let divide both sides by log 2. This will take away this. Then we are going to have x to be equals. Now according to law of logarithm, when you have log a divided by b, this will give you log a minus log b. So this implies that we are going to have our x from here as log of 1 plus root 5, then minus log 2, then divided by log 2. Now let us distribute this to this and this. We have our x to be equals log of 1 plus root 5 divided by log 2 minus log 2 divided by log 2. So from here we have this to be, when you have this, we have log 1 plus root 5 divided by log 2 minus 1. And so therefore, when you have this, when you press this 1 plus root 5 log of it, so we are going to have answer to be 0.51 divided by, when you press log 2, we have it to be 0.301 minus 1. And so from here we have our x to be, this divided by this, we have it to be 1.6944 minus 1. And so we have this to be equals 0.6944 to be the value of x. So guys, now let's check. We have 4 raised to the power x minus 2 raised to the power x equals 1. When x equals this one, we have 4 raised to the power 0.6944 minus 2 raised to the power 0.6944. Is it equals 1? So from here we have, when you press this one by using calculator, we're going to have this one to be 2.6186 minus 1.6182, then it's going to be equals 1. So from here we have this one to be equals, when you minus this one to be 1.6182, 0.0004, then is it going to be equals 1? So we can approximately have this one to be equals 1. And this is true for the value of x equals 0.6944. If you are new here, once again, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. Bye bye.